Hey, it's Sam. If you're watching this video, then you're probably wondering why solo ads are bad. Well, stick around because that's exactly what I'm going to talk about. On my channel, I always release videos on digital marketing and passive income strategies, so consider subscribing. Also, if you want, you can click on the link below to get access to my recession-proof business model that will teach you how to build an online business from the ground up. So don't worry if you have zero experience, because you'll get the best training that will make you the top marketer. Great, let's get to the content. So why are solo ads bad? Well, to make sure, you need to know what solo ads are. And solo ads are just email advertisements that you buy from people that already have their own email lists. So let's get straight to the point. The quality of solo ads are just bad because 80 to 90% of the sellers, the solo ad sellers, are just either scammers or they have email lists that are just bots. And you never know whether or not people that click on your link in your email are real or not. Not only that, if they are real, the solo ad sellers probably mistreat their email list a lot because they're selling their emails multiple times a day to multiple people like us, like you and I, that want traffic going to our link, right? So really, you got to think about what they're going through, what the solo ad sellers are going through, because chances are, as solo ad sellers, they already made their money. They're just copying and pasting your link and just email blasting everyone that are in their list already. We don't know how they got their emails and how they built their list. For all we know, it's probably just generated by a program. Right? For solo ads, it's really hard to find good providers that provide good emails that are validated, that are fresh, that are to real people. And that's where it can get really expensive depending on other people's experiences, right? And you need to know how these people are generating their leads. There are a lot of lead generation companies that actually do the work correctly. And those are definitely way better than doing solo ads, especially if you're doing affiliate marketing. And generally, solo ads are not for beginners, even though it's very enticing. Because when I was a beginner, I used solo ads because I didn't know better. The first few $1,000s I spent, I was excited. It was a new high that I felt because I got this audience in my email list. This is for the first time and it came in large numbers. I felt really excited. I was able to market to them, just sending out emails, selling out value. And then my initial thoughts for that first week was, it was really easy to build that email list with solo ads. But I didn't learn about the quality of these solo ads until later on because I started looking at the stats for the whole list. In the beginning, everyone was clicking on every single link. And then as time goes by, they just fall off the face of the earth. I probably spent around 15 to 20,000 on solo ads alone and only barely made any sales. So my experience, along with a lot of beginner affiliate marketers, we lose money on solo ads. So if you're a beginner, stay away from solo ads because you gotta waste a lot of money to find that one good provider. And if you're down on money, it's probably wise not to use it on something that doesn't really work for you, unless you know that person really well and you know that they do lead generation really well and they can offer you a deal, then go for it. Now, if you do have money to spend on ads, just stay away from solo ads, but the legit ones, the really good ones, are actually from search engine ads like Google ads, YouTube ads, Bing ads, and even Facebook ads. They work really well. So I'd say Bing and Google ads were the best ones. So depending on the keywords that you choose, learn how to use those. And in the future, I'm planning to tap into YouTube ads. So I'll let you know about that when I get some numbers. So these are alternatives that you should use in place of solo ads. Don't touch solo ads at all until you actually find the person that you know that does really well with solo ads, that provides you with a good list of emails, and if you have extra money to use. So I hope this session was valuable, and if it was, please leave a comment down below. And if you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing on your own, starting your own business from scratch, be sure to click on the link down below and you'll get to opt into a free 4-day video training series where you'll learn more about affiliate marketing and how it can benefit you in the long run and into the future. So with that, I'll see you on the other side. Thank you for joining me in this session. I hope you learned some valuable tips and tricks to begin your affiliate marketing career. If you want to find out more about doing affiliate marketing the right way, consider subscribing to the channel. Like the video if you liked it, and hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video. For more tips, be sure to subscribe into my email list and get the 8-step affiliate marketing mastery guide for free. And I'll see you on the other side.